Holly, where are we? Bread?
You want to give them bread? Break it into little pieces. Here, take this, and I'll take your cup.
Holly, you gonna go feed the duckies?
Here comes more duckies.
Look at the babies coming, Autumn. Go ahead, Holly. Oh, they're coming from all the way over there now. Look at this one.
Here, get out of here.
Autumn, is this fun? Go ahead, throw it to the babies.
Okay, 1 minute. These are the bagels now.
Holly, look at Sissy.
Break it. Here, Woody. No, don't eat it, Holly. Just break it.
Autumn, break it apart. Go ahead.
Want me to throw the other bagels away, too?
I will.
Is this a little piece?
No.
It's too big.
I'm gonna put this.
Look at these two. Look at her. Holly, come over here with it. Come here.
I told it to his head.
Holly, come here. Come this way. Go see duckies. Look at all the ducks, girls. Look at this guy. This guy's like, hey, how you doing? This guy's eating. This one's scarfing down a bagel over here. Don't you eat my feet. I'll scream. Look at the ducks.
Here, Woody.
These girls with Nanny. Autumn, are you having so much fun? Huh? Look at Sissy. Look at me. Oh, you're so cute. Go ahead, go sit with the duckies. No, go play. No, stand up. Go play with them.
Here,
I
Holly.
didn't mean to say sit. Thank you. Holly, what do you got?
Are we gonna go pet them?
Bagels.
And then can we go pet them?
Sure.
You could try. Good luck.
No,
She didn't even touch it. Go ahead, go touch his back. No, he jumped.
He got scared. Oh, there's something wrong with his leg.
Which one?
This one right here.
Really? Let's investigate on camera.
The one behind you.
This one right here. This
That
no.
one?
Yeah.
That's all, no more. But you're nice to the duck.
No, he likes him.
Go ahead, Holly. Go say hello to the duckies.
Hi, Ducky Ducky.
And then can we walk a little?
He's like, I'm not coming by you. I'm gonna walk away.
There is someone.
Oh, he's limping.
What, sweet girl?
This little dude's
I
limping.
want to walk with. I want to walk a little while.
You want to walk over to the big playground?
Sure.
All right.
No.